artificial intelligence in Germany.
Germany, known for its engineering prowess and industrial leadership, how is Germany harnessing AI to tackle economic and societal challenges? Stephanie set off to explore, and today, she's ready to share her findings. Stephanie describes an eye-opening journey through Germany's AI landscape. From policymakers and scientists to researchers and artists, she spoke with innovators across fields to uncover the nation's unique approach to artificial intelligence. The result is a compelling look at how Germany is breaking barriers and building bridges in the AI revolution. The scene shifts to Berlin, where gray skies mirror the nation's uncertain economic climate. With industries like car manufacturing under strain and the coalition government recently collapsing, Germany faces pressing questions about its future. Could AI be the solution to reigniting its economic engine? The Falling Walls Science Summit in Berlin serves as the backdrop for this exploration. Held on the 35th anniversary of the Berlin Wall's fall, the summit gathers some of Europe's brightest minds in science and technology. Sebastian Turner, the founder of the summit, emphasizes the event's mission to challenge assumptions and identify the next walls that need to come down. One of those breaking barriers is Richard Socher, a pioneer in prompt engineering who has contributed to the rise of generative AI. When asked how Germany could become a global leader in AI, he outlines several key challenges. The lack of programming education in schools, cultural and legal obstacles to entrepreneurship and failure, an underdeveloped venture capital ecosystem, a not invented here mentality among major corporations. Despite these hurdles, Socher remains optimistic, pointing out Germany's strong foundation in research and industrial expertise. The journey continues into healthcare, one of Germany's strongest sectors for AI innovation. At the Charité Hospital in Berlin, doctors are using AI to monitor patients and predict complications after surgery. In the Heart Center, clinicians demonstrate how AI analyzes real-time patient data to assess risks like post-operative bleeding and renal failure. Stephanie interviews Professor Alexander Meyer.
Easy afterwards, because we have time, we look at all data in a calm environment, and very often we have to ask ourselves the question, why did we miss it? Because there were clear signatures within the data that something would happen. Here at the Charité, everybody saw the potential. People came, offered me their help, and I had here also the funding opportunities to realize all projects. So we could use technology to actually solve and address a clinical need.
Who developed the AI tool. He describes how data-driven insights are transforming patient care by enabling earlier interventions and better outcomes. AI, Meyer says, isn't replacing doctors, but enhancing their ability to deliver precise and effective treatments. Beyond healthcare, Germany's AI ambitions extend to culture and the arts. Berlin, long a magnet for creatives, is now a hub for AI-driven innovation in visual arts and music. Stephanie meets Phil Langer, a Berlin-based artist using generative AI to push creative boundaries. Phil explains the process of using prompts, detailed instructions given to AI, to generate striking and often uncanny images. The conversation delves into the emotional responses AI art can evoke, from awe to discomfort. Phil believes the ability to curate and refine AI outputs is becoming an art form in itself, raising questions about AI's role as a collaborator in creativity. As the program wraps up, the discussion returns to the broader implications of AI in Germany. Stephanie reflects on the cultural factors influencing Germany's AI journey. While some nations focus on speed and competition, Germany prioritizes trust and precision. This cautious but deliberate approach could position the country as a global leader in reliable, human-centered AI. The episode concludes with a powerful thought. AI isn't just a tool. It's a catalyst for rethinking how we solve problems, connect with others, and imagine the future. Through its unique blend of tradition and innovation, Germany is carving out a distinct path in the AI revolution, one worth watching.